was 41 to Jim Gavin, 29 to myself. Firstly, I just want to thank the Fianna Fáil Parliamentary Party for the engagement and the discussions that we had, both as individuals and then more collectively today as a party itself, around what the presidency means, not just to Fianna Fáil, but more importantly to the Irish people. That's why I engaged in the process from the outset, was just to stimulate that debate, to have strong, healthy debate, interrogation of ideas, and for people to set out their vision of what the presidency should be. And the presidency, while it doesn't have executive powers or legislative powers, it does have huge soft power in terms of a president that can speak for the people and speak for the Republic. So from that perspective, I think I did a service in the context of having a process in place where we had healthy, robust interrogation of ideas, and then finally a vote that confirmed that Jim Gavin would be the Fianna Fáil candidate in the upcoming presidential election.
Given the number of declarations there have been, are you surprised to 129 votes today?
Well, I was always of the view, and I would have preferred if declarations were maybe kept to a limit, in the sense that it would allow people a greater freedom to debate and discuss. But look, at the end of the day, I just want to thank colleagues. Most importantly, we made a decision. The decision is that Jim Gavin has been nominated by the Fianna Fáil Parliamentary Party. I fully respect that. I wish him well, I wish his family well, and I will be actively campaigning across the length and breadth of the country for Jim Gavin, because of the values that he stands for, which are compatible with mine and which were found to be the case in the context of the debates that we had in the Parliamentary Party meetings.